Hello, hello, good morning. Wow, beautiful Tuesday morning. Let's see what we can get into. All right, got a chunk of mullet on this one. We'll go out. I got some other bait I bought, but let's try this. It didn't really go that far, but whatever. Got shrimp on this pole, on the light pole. Go out this way with it this time. On this side. This side I don't like, but let's see what happens. Sure is a beautiful morning. I don't know if it shows up on camera or not. That water's clear. Wow, it's right here. Oh, clean the hook. Alright. Got a filter on this one. Wow, let's see what we can get on that. Didn't go that far. Cast that back out, see if I can get further. A little bit further, going against the wind. The wind's blowing north. According to the weather, it was supposed to be blowing west, but whatever. Let's see what happens. Something hit this rod. There's a bunch of seaweed. Feels like there's something on this pole, but I don't know. No. Rehook that, I guess. Alright, that's what they did to the mullet. They ate it from the inside. It left nothing but the skin. Alright. Put the mullet back out there on that one. Got that pilchard or whatever you call that fish. And I'll throw some shrimp on this one. Alright. Oh, the wind's starting to pick up. I think I hooked on to something already, huh? Or that crab again. Probably that crab again. Damn. Alright, well, something took a bite out of it. Bring it back out there. Alright, well, got something. Cool looking yellowfish. Here it is. Look at the color, so very cool. Try to get a better picture of it. Easy now. Anyways, sort of slimy. Well, that yellowfish ended up dying. I guess the hook was in there too far. So I just put them back on a hook and flung them back out there. I don't know if you're allowed to do that or not, but uh-oh, I got something here. Something got a hold of something here. Maybe not. Probably just turned it loose. Alright, I've been out here for almost 3 hours. Haven't caught anything. Well, I caught that little yellowfish. I threw it back out because it died and something ate it. Cleaned the hook. Wind's picking up, so I might go find a different spot. Since I'm in this park, try our luck over there. A lot of little fish swimming right around through here. I don't know what that was, but that thing's huge. Big old fish. Drop that bait down in there. A bunch of small. Look, clean the hook. Bunch of small. Looks like sheep's head. All right. Give me another bait and go back in. Oh, I thought I had my camera on it. All right, I threw it into that school of looked like a bunch of sheep's head and whatever this is. Pretty cool. Easy now. Settle down. Getting all twisted up here. Yeah, I'm over here at the boat launch area. see if I can have some better luck. Look at that. There was like a whole group of these like long fish, probably tarpon, I'm guessing. I don't know. I'm not a professional. But the boat started coming in and they took off. But that was cool. So I'm over here now at the boat launch area. It was just getting too windy and I wasn't catching anything over there on the jetty, so give this a shot. You see the ground moving around here. There's a bunch of little crabs, and then they crawl into the hole. And check out this. What are they, mussels or clams? The way they just all clinging to the bottom of that tree. That's a trip. During high tide, I guess they get locked on. Got like a little coral reef thing going on here. See if it shows up on all these underwater little cool little deals. Alright, that's it for me for today. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.